Today, take a look at the VEVOR rotary hammer. Okay, I like that. The case actually has a rubber handle on it. Don't normally see that these days. It comes with two bits. We got a drill bit and we got a chisel bit. So the drill bit is a 22 by 350, chisel's an 18 by 280. Got a nice solid point on that, and I do appreciate that it comes in these nice little cases. There is our drill bit. Can't see that is a full-on masonry bit, so you can beat the heck out of that guy. And we got our instructions right here. It says that is an SDS-Max, so that is the style of chuck that this is going to accommodate. So you want to make sure you get SDS-Max for this rotary hammer. You don't want to get SDS Plus or anything else. SDS-Max only. Charging voltage is 100 to 120 volts. Working voltage is 20 volts. It has a 4 amp hour battery. Power 600 watts. Load speed is 500 RPM. Impact rate is 2700 BPM. Max drilling 40 millimeters in concrete. Impact energy is 7 joules. So I do like seeing that it comes with two big 4 amp hour batteries. They are both 20 volts. And we do have a test button on the front. That comes with full charge. And that also comes with full charge. So we do have full charge on both batteries. That is a clip style lock. It comes with a little protector on there. We do have a barrel connector to charge it. And I appreciate they do have 2 contacts per contact. So we make sure that we're making solid contact to that drill. Now, even though that has a barrel connector, this does come with a full on charger. We have our LED indicators on there. It even has our positive and negative labeled on the charger. It does have hanging hooks. And we can see that is a 2.4 amp at 21 volt DC charger. It does come with a wrench. We also have our depth gauge that appears to be labeled in centimeters. And here is the rotary hammer. A nice big guy. We do have a rubber grip here on the back, which feels very nice. Got a nice solid filling trigger. We do have a secondary handle on the front, and we can loosen that up and spin that. So if we need to get into a weird spot, we can accommodate whatever we need for that. Can't see on the bottom, this is a brushless rotary hammer, which is excellent. So that means that this is going to last longer. The battery is going to last longer. The motor is going to last longer. It's going to have more power. And it's not going to put out that smoke smell that you sometimes get with brushed motors. So there we got hammer. And there we got hammer and drill. I'm just going to need to use the hammer because I do not need the rotation function. But if you're going to be using the drill, then you are going to want to have the rotation on because that is going to extract that concrete as you drill in. The one thing I do appreciate seeing is we do have some shock absorbing right there, so we're not going to be really just beating the heck out of ourselves when we use it. And we do have a pivot right there so that it can pivot in and out as this guy is hammering. So if we want to chuck this guy in, just get that lined up, drop it in. That will hold that in place. We can pull back on that collar, and that will let it go. Battery fits in the back, and that is ready to go. It even has a little light on it so you can see what you're doing. On the front of the handle, we got our depth gauge, so in the event that you need to check, make sure you're not going to be drilling too deep, throw that guy in, tighten that down. When we bump up against that, we will know that we're at the depth that we want. So we got a couple of pavers. This is not going to be as strong as something like a full-on concrete slab, but at least we'll be able to see how it operates. There we go. That is an awesome tool for masonry work.